Higher PV electric water heaters absorb solar energy via PV panels, convert it into direct current through the photovoltaic effect, and directly drive the DC heating tube of the water heater to operate. Main tools for PV electric water heater installation. Main auxiliary materials for PV electric water heater installation. No obstructions shall exist in front of and around the PV module installation area. The mounting inclination angle of PV brackets shall approximate the local latitude. The azimuth angle shall be within 10 degrees due south. The bracket foundation shall be solid and load-bearing. PV panels shall be installed within the lightning protection coverage of the building. 1. 2 personnel are required to carry PV modules. Avoid collisions during transportation. 2. Do not step on PV modules when laid flat. 1. Unpack PV modules and inspect for damage or defects. 2. Unpack bracket assemblies and verify the quantity of brackets and bolts. See attached table. Accessories include 1 red and 1 black PV DC cable, 1 set of DC circuit breaker and waterproof junction box. Mark the mounting positions of bracket crossbeams. The spacing between brackets shall be 1.1 to 1.3 meters. Mark hole positions before drilling, taking care not to drill through the roof surface. Sweep away debris after drilling, then blow residual dust out of holes with an air pump. Fill holes completely with waterproof sealant. Then secure bracket crossbeams to the flat surface using expansion anchors. Ensure sealant is also fully applied under crossbeam hole positions. Use M8x16 304 stainless steel screws to connect lower clamping blocks to front legs. Only fasten screws halfway to reserve space for PV panel placement. Use M8x60 304 stainless steel screws to connect front legs, pre-fitted with lower clamping blocks, to crossbeams. Use M8x60 304 stainless steel screws to connect rear legs to bases and front legs respectively. The notches of rear legs shall face forward, and bracket angles are adjustable via hole positions. Tighten all 3 groups of screws except those for lower clamping blocks. Assemble the opposite side at the same angle. Connect the MC4 terminated ends of red and black PV cables to the positive and negative MC4 terminals of the PV panel respectively. A click sound confirms secure connection. Red cable denotes positive pole. Black cable denotes negative pole. Wrap the non-MC4 ends of DC cables with insulating tape. 2 installers insert 1 long frame edge of the PV panel into the lower clamping blocks. Then install upper clamping blocks. Secure upper clamping blocks to front legs with M8x16 304 stainless steel screws. Align the PV panel grid lines parallel to bracket front legs using the PV panel as reference. Then adjust and fasten upper and lower clamping blocks. Unpack the water tank and inspect accessories and quantities. Measure dimensions of the water tank and wall hanging bracket. Then mark drilling positions on the wall with a marker per measured dimensions. Attach a dust bag before drilling. Select drill bits matching expansion anchor sizes and confirm drilling depth. After drilling, insert and fasten 2 expansion anchors. Repeat the procedure for drilling and installing the ground bolt for the tank anti-electric wall. Secure the water tank to the wall with expansion anchors. Then connect the anti-electric wall wire to the expansion anchor. Wrap PTFE tape around the water tank inlet port before installing the safety valve. The arrow on the valve body shall point toward the cold water inlet direction. Pre-install pipe union fittings. Measure the length of inlet and outlet pipes. Piping shall be laid horizontally and vertically. Fabricate inlet and outlet pipes per on-site dimensions. Then connect elbows, unions and PPI pipes with a hot melt welder. Install gaskets for sealing when fitting inlet and outlet pipes. Then tighten pipes with a wrench. Mount the drain pipe onto the pressure relief valve and secure it in place. After pipe installation, open the tank inlet and outlet valves. Turn the shower hot water tap to maximum to fill the tank, and close the shower once continuous water flows out. Outdoor exposed sections of PV-DC cables shall be routed through conduit pipes fixed to the wall. Mount the DC circuit breaker and waterproof junction box at an appropriate position. Keep the circuit breaker switched off before and during wiring. Feed PV cables indoors through conduits. Remove insulating tape. Then connect cables to the upper terminals of the circuit breaker. Connect the tank DC cables to the lower terminals of the circuit breaker, matching red and black polarities for upper and lower wiring. Use a multimeter set to DC voltage range to measure voltage at the upper terminals of the circuit breaker. A reading of approximately 45 V shall be displayed. The value may fluctuate depending on solar irradiance and ambient temperature during installation. Secure the waterproof junction box cover with self-tapping screws. Connect AC power supply. The display screen illuminates sequentially from right to left, and the unit enters standby mode or resumes the state prior to power cut. Press the power button to switch power on or off. Press the power button to start the unit. Press the solar key to activate PV energy saving mode, with the indicator light above the solar key lit. Close the DC circuit breaker and wait around 5 seconds. The upper PV indicator light turns on while the lower AC indicator remains off. Monitor the water temperature rise of the water heater for approximately 1 hour. On sunny days between 9 o'clock and 1500 hours, a water temperature rise of around 2 degrees Celsius indicates normal PV heating function. 1. Temperature adjustment mode. 1.1. Press the temp plus / key to display the set temperature. 1.2. Press the temp plus / keys continuously to set the temperature cycles between 35, 75 and 35. 1.3. Press any key other than the power key to confirm the set temperature, or the system automatically confirms the setting after approximately 6 seconds of inactivity. 2. Photovoltaic energy saving mode. Press the solar key, the corresponding indicator light illuminates and the unit enters PV energy saving mode. Under this mode, the water heater is solely heated by the PV DC heating tube. The default PV energy saving set temperature is fixed at 75 degrees Celsius and cannot be adjusted. 3. Electric auxiliary rapid heating mode. Press the AC button. Press the auxiliary electric quick heat key. The corresponding indicator light illuminates and the unit enters auxiliary electric quick heat mode. Under this mode, the AC heating tube activates immediately for heating. The indicator light extinguishes once the target set temperature is reached. 4. Intelligent hybrid mode. Press the hybrid button. Press the intelligent hybrid key. The corresponding indicator light illuminates and the unit enters intelligent hybrid mode. The water heater learns your hot water usage habits to automatically prepare hot water. The unit prioritizes PV DC heating. When PV heating fails to meet hot water demand, AC power automatically supplements heating.